Have you ever thought how a microwave turns electricity into heat? Inside the strong metal box, there is a microwave generator called a magnetron. When you start cooking, the magnetron takes electricity from the power outlet and converts it into high-powered 12 cm radio waves. The magnetron blasts these waves into the food compartment through a channel called a waveguide. The food sits on a turntable, spinning slowly round, so the microwaves cook it evenly. The microwaves bounce back and forth off the reflective metal walls of the food compartment, just like light bounces off a mirror. When the microwaves reach the food itself, they don't simply bounce off, so microwaves penetrate inside the food. As they travel through it, they make the molecules inside it vibrate more quickly. Vibrating molecules have heat, so the faster the molecules vibrate, the hotter the food becomes. Thus, the microwaves pass their energy onto the molecules in the food, rapidly heating it up.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Vishi here and you're watching Nixapian. I'm going to be telling you the story of the microwave oven in this video. The microwave oven was discovered by serendipity like many other inventions. Serendipity refers to an invention or discovery that was made by accident. So the microwave oven was discovered by a person known as Percy Spencer. He was working in a lab where there were a lot of magnetrons, which was the power tube of the radar. So he had a peanut chocolate in his pocket. When he was working in this lab, he found that the bar of chocolate with peanuts had melted when he was working near a magnetron. Many of the scientists came across this phenomenon, but they didn't give it so much of consideration. So Percy Spencer next asked a boy to get a packet of popcorn. When he took the packet of popcorn next to the magnetrons, the packet of popcorn exploded. The next day he got a kettle inside the lab and made a hole into it. He put an uncooked egg in the kettle and moved the magnetron across the hole. And one of his fellow mates was looking into the kettle just in time to catch an egg explode in his face. But why did the egg explode? This was because the yolk cooked faster than the egg white. Then in 1946, Spencer filed a patent for using microwave for cooking. And by 1955, people were able to use the microwave for cooking in their households, but it turned out to be pretty expensive. Microwave ovens are so quick and efficient because they channel the waves or radiations directly into the food. The microwaves cook the food in the same way like the sun heats up your face, by radiation. The microwave is just like the waves that zap through the air in the case of the TV and the cell phone signals. So these are a form of up and down waves of electricity and magnetism that races through the air at the speed of light. While radio waves can be very long indeed, the shortest of the radio waves is known as the microwaves. The microwaves used to cook your food are as small as 12 centimeters in wavelength. Despite the small size, the microwave contain a huge amount of energy. One drawback to microwaves is that they can damage the living tissues and cells. That is why the microwave oven has thick metal around it so that the waves don't escape and harm us. Did you know microwaves are used in cell phones and radars? Do check out my video on radars and LiDAR on the link provided in the info button and also in the description. That's it guys, if you like the video, do subscribe to Nixapian. This is Vishi signing off.